everybody, and welcome back. If you want to chat with anyone in the world without language barriers, today we are going to show you how to auto translate chats in your Roblox. Without any delay, let's just start right in. For that, you can open up Roblox, head over to Roblox player for that, and you need to access up a game to do so. So once you open up Roblox, you can head over to any of the game available. So for example, I would like to go to this game right here and select this option of play and go to the particular game right there. So you can also go over and do so. Now, if you want to use the auto translate feature, it is pretty easy. You can click on this chat option right here, and you can see it says that Roblox automatically translates supported languages in the chat. This one right here. So if you'd like to translate it, you can select this option of Roblox icon and go over to the settings right here. And this is here. Now we just need to go over and scroll down, and we have this option of automatic chat translation. Now if you want to turn it on, you just need to go over and turn this option on right here. Select this option of on, and you can select this option of chat translation and change it into the language that we prefer. Once that is done, changes should be automatically provided, and you can just go over and type in the text that you would like to add in this box right here and hit enter, and the chat should be automatically translated when you type it in. And that's it. That is it, everybody. If you'd like to auto translate chat in Roblox, this is it. You can follow this method for that. We hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.